back, guys. I'm Jeremy, your YouTube Snap-on guy. Today we got a bunch of after-hours stuff that I wanted to show you. The stuff that you don't get to see with your Snap-on guy, the behind-the-scenes stuff. So we're in my warehouse. We got a little cleanup to do, a bunch of cardboard, some pallets, stuff like that. Also, we're going to take a trip over to Chad's place, look at his truck, take a peek around and see what kind of stuff he has. Let's get this thing rolling. Now that we got that job done, let's go ahead and unbox that toolbox over there. Check it out. We're only gonna need a few tools to unbox this. We need a 3/8 ratchet, a 9/16 socket, and a knife to cut the strapping. Now that we have the cardboard off here, we can go ahead and take the plastic off. And then we'll take our 3/8 ratchet with 9/16 and unbolt the stoppers down below. Now I'm going to unlock the toolbox, and in the bottom drawer there's going to be a cardboard ramp so that we can go ahead and push this right off the pallet. Alright guys, here I have them lined up. I got a 68-inch Epic and then the 72-inch Master Series lined up together so you can get an idea of the size difference of them. There's not a whole lot of size difference. The Epic sits up about an inch higher. Both of these have the same top on them. The Epic has the 3 long drawers and then divides into 2 banks. This 1163, this has 2 long drawers and then divides into 3 banks. Now this one also has the power in the drawer. Let me open this up. So inside of this drawer there's a power bank, and the cord actually goes in the back of the toolbox. And you're able to plug in, it's got 5 different plugins, and it has some USB plugins as well. So you can power all of your stuff in here. As well as this has the organization drawer, and we have all the accessories for that is in the pack up top. This one happens to be storm gray with black trim. The Epic is black with titanium trim, and they both have the bed liner top. Alright guys, we're going to be heading over to Chad's house. He's another Snap-on dealer. We got to get a tool from him, and we'll go ahead and see if we can't get a look inside of his truck and see what he's doing on a Sunday. So we made it over to Chad's truck. Let's take a look inside, see how he's got things laid out. Check out that green trim on that black box. Freaking awesome. It's got a little heater going to keep it warm. Just a ton of tools back here. Got his double play going on, hammers, sockets. He doesn't want to be on video, I guess. A lot of cold. Cold cordless stuff in there. There's Sierra. There's my daughter. She's out touring with me today. Here he's got the Blue Point workbench, and then he's got that loaded full of tools as well. There's the Traxxas truck. I don't get to see the other Snap-on dealers' trucks very often, so it's kind of cool to come around and see all the different tools on there and stuff that I might not have. Nice torque wrench display. Big old sockets. I get asked for this all the time, butane. That's awesome. So just about when you think you're all done for the day, done with cardboard and cleaning up, guess what? You get over to the shipping table and that's full as well. So we're gonna put some tools away. I appreciate you guys watching again. Thank you. Leave some comments down below. What do you prefer, the Epic or the Master Series?